Recording in progress.
Good morning, Jagan sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm just setting up.
Okay. We'll talk after 1 minute.
Hello. I'll unmute. Okay. If you have any questions about today's session, you can ask. I think it's now visible.
Jagan sir,
Yes, sir.
as you told me, I had sent it on the LMF group also that I have taken the domain name.
Yes, that's fine. That's fine. What is the domain name? srseducation.co.in.
Yes,
That
sir.
is great domain name that works in India.
Okay. I'm catering India only for abroad and in India.
Yes, try to do the exercise 1.1 and 1.2,
I'll do it
and
immediately.
it works. It worked. It
I
works.
will do it immediately after this class.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
I should pay $10 or I should pay 5 only.
I request you to pay 10 because you are going to do marketing, right?
Yes, sir.
Pay 10. It's safer. It's safer.
Okay.
And people will be working on it. The data entry people, when you get leads, many people will be working on it simultaneously, and the website will be up to the public. So it's safe to have 10.
I'll create something like what you have done it.
Yes. I suggest 5 for beginners. 3.5 is $3.5. It will not even work when we connect from this system. Okay. Only their system we can use. 5 is okay. We can use everywhere. Remotely we can use it. But 10 is really great. We'll start exactly at 7:2.
I'll create the spec file in every 1.1 and 1.2. I'll finish it immediately.
Yes. Yeah.
After 1 hour, I'll reach to this place where we are right now. Because I've done it twice.
Oh, you become expert in doing that.
I'll come till this place immediately. Now, so it's easy for me to learn now.
I suggest, see, when we create multiple instances, you will be creating multiple IPs, static IPs. Okay, you have to go and delete the static IPs if you in the lifestyle home, go to this button
Third.
4. Okay,
Four.
button 4, open lifestyle home, go to networking. In the networking, you will be creating a lot of static IPs. Every one static IP is $1 if it is not attached to anything. Okay, delete all the static IP you are not using. Okay, that is an easy mistake that people do. I'll show you. We'll start exactly at 7:2. If you have any questions, please type it in the chat box about yesterday's session. I will answer. Here in the Amazon lifestyle home, go to networking. You will see IPs. Okay. Here in the networking, in the IP, there should be only one. If you are using one instance, there should be only one. If you have others, you have to delete it.
I've written it. I'll do it. I'll try to do it.
Good morning, all. Please, if you have any questions, so no questions from here after because we have only one more minute. 7:2 will start exactly at 7:2. Okay, it's 7:02. We'll start. Okay, now today, type yes. Can we start? Is it audible? I'm starting now. Okay, today's goal is this. Okay, we are going to learn how to edit the template, lead magnet template. Okay, jagankrish.com. Okay, this is the template that you have right now. Okay, we are going to edit this template, change the color, change the button color. We are going to change this text today. This is the first goal today, how to edit the content of LMF WordPress template and set up the lead management system. Okay, if someone gives their contact number here, okay, you see the contact number. If they click on make payment now, you will get that lead in your lead management system. Okay, these two we are going to do. It will take around 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, again, I'll give you a disclaimer today. Disclaimer. What is the disclaimer? The things that I'm going to teach, the lessons I'm going to teach today is not available anywhere else on the internet. Okay. The reason, till what we did yesterday, day before yesterday, anywhere if you go and search, anywhere, anyone can answer that. Okay. Anyone can help you to do that. But what we are going to do today and tomorrow, there is no tutorials elsewhere, because this is the lead management template that I did personally for my services. Okay, only I can teach. Even the experts other than me, they can teach it, but again they have to go through the template. Only then they can teach it. Okay, they will not know. They have to spend 3 to 4 days before they can teach you. Okay, there is no tutorials elsewhere. Okay, this is the disclaimer that you should know. You cannot go and search in YouTube how to edit this split. No, it will not work. Okay, you have to have this recording. Okay, now. Can you start? Type yes. Now, today's session can be overwhelming for non-technical people. Okay. But I believe in everyone should be learning, everyone at least should understand the basic programming. I'm not going to teach programming here. I am going to teach to edit that text file. Yesterday you got on spec file, right? We are going to edit that spec file, edit it and change the text, and then we are going to upload it. Okay, but that spec file follows a standard. Okay, that spec file has a standard. That standard you have to understand it. Only if you understand it, you could able to do the basic changes. Okay, if you do any mistakes in that, then the site will break. So you have to understand the standard in which spec file is written. Okay, that is what we call as programming. Every file that follows a certain standard is a code. Okay, that's what we call as programming. So everyone should understand the basic programming. So today, this session, if you cannot understand, that's okay. Just know what is this? What is the spec file? How it is written? Just understand. You are just going to go and change it. Okay. What is a spec file? A spec file. The spec file is responsible for everything that you see in your website. Okay, the color, the text, the logo, the videos here, the images. Here, this date is coming, and the Android app, iOS app, everything is coming from the spec file. Okay, so you should understand the spec file. This spec file, there is a particular way to edit it. Okay, how to, that is just a text file I told you. Okay, now you can edit the text file inside your computer itself. Like you open the notepad or you open the WordPad and change the text file and upload it, it will work. But again, if you do any mistake in that, you will not able to know it. So there are online spec editors to edit the spec file. If you go to the core success link, day 3, in the day 3, I gave you 3.1, 3.2 and 3.2. There are 2 spec editors. Okay, I am going to use that. Okay, use the online spec editors. It is just completely free tools. These are the famous tools to edit the spec file. Okay, so there are thousands of tools, but I gave you the top 2. Okay, you use these tools to edit the spec file. So when you use the online tools, 1 minute. When you use the online tools, you will not make any mistakes. Okay, if you make a single mistake, it will instantly tell you that you made this mistake and you can immediately revert it. So that's why we use online spec editors. If you are an expert, you can download some spec editors locally and keep it in your system, and you can use that also. I use Visual Studio Code, that is free, and again that is too technical. Okay, yeah, that is use simple online spec editors 3.2. Okay, always have a backup copy of your spec file. So when you do changes and upload the spec file, change something, you do so much of changes. Okay, always have a backup copy, because if you do something wrong, if you upload the previous version of the spec file, it will work from previous version. Okay, you can do whatever you want in the spec file, but always have a backup copy somewhere so that your work will not be lost. Okay, so always have a backup copy of your spec file. Quick intro of spec. Okay, this is a complete programming that I'm going to tell you, but try to understand what is in the spec file. Okay, if you just go and see the spec file blankly, you will not understand anything, but the knowledge that I'm going to give you a clear understanding what is there. Okay, if you see the spec file, it follows this standard. Okay, there is a property name. Okay, there will be a double quote, and inside there is a property name. Okay, and then there will be a colon, and then there will be a value. Okay, so check the first, if you open the spec file and check the first line, you will see site ready to index. This is the property name, and there is a colon. Within the double quote, there is a property value. Property value is no. If it is no, it means your website is not ready to index. When your website content is, everything is ready, what you will do? You will go to change this no to yes. Then your website will be scrollable by Google. Google can see your website. Okay, this is that simple as that. Now, here you see, property name is unchangeable, but property value is changeable. Okay, so whatever that comes in the first double quote, you cannot change. You can even not change a single letter. If you change even a single letter, your website will break. Okay, this property name is unchangeable. What is changeable? Only property value is changeable. Okay, have this understanding. Now, this is the one important rule. Okay, just because I gave you that spec file, you can do anything. But what if no double quotes inside in the middle of value? If you see, the value starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote. What happens if you put a double quote inside of the value? You can type the double quote, right? If you put the double quote inside of the value, the website will break. But again, the spec editors will not allow you to do it. But again, if you use the local Microsoft Word or Notepad, you can do that. But again, that will break. The spec file will break. So no double quotes. This is the important rule. No double quotes in middle of the value. Whatever you are changing, right, the value, you should not include double quotes there. Now, always use online spec editors to make changes only for this reason. Okay, when you are typing the content, you will not know. Okay, just you will type the content, you will not know that you are included double quote or not. But when you use online spec editors, you will instantly know that this double quote I added, so it will not work. So you can instantly revert it. So always use online spec edit. Now I'm going to tell you about basic sections. Okay, I'll open my website. This website you have. There will be multiple sections. The site config. There is a section in the spec file called site config. The site config contains the color, the website title. It is coming here, right? At the top. Okay, when you type a website in the Safari, at the top one title comes, right? The title, the basic configuration things will be there in the site config. Site pop-up. Okay, whatever the pop-up that you see here, this pop-up, it will come in site pop-up. App details. The Android and iOS app we are going to have, right? That details, that pop-up details will have in the app details. Section underscore. You will notice a pattern. Okay, my website have 10 sections. You can see this is a section. This is a section. This is a section. So similarly, I have 10 sections. Okay, so you will follow a pattern. Section underscore head. Section underscore what? Section underscore y. Okay, these are all different sections. Okay, so how many sections I have? I have 10. So you will find 10 section underscore. What if you want one more? Add one more section underscore new. One more section will appear here. So similarly, you can add any number of sections here. So section underscore, you will find 10 in the spec file that I gave you. What if you want to remove it? Just remove one section, it will just go. Okay, this and all with section adding, removing, I'll teach it tomorrow. Just know this section, how many sections you have, that many sections it will come here. And inside the value, okay, there are certain things that you know. This is pure programming. Okay, this is pure HTML. See, I'll zoom it. Can you see the tools? After tools, there is a break. Okay, there is a new line to the next line. Okay, so inside the value, you will be typing this. You will be typing this in the value. Okay, when typing this, you want something to come in a new line. Okay, you want something to appear in different color. You want something to appear in bold. Okay, you want something to appear in underline. Okay, that what makes the difference. Okay, to do that, to get a new line inside the content, you have to include this tag. This is what we call as tag. It starts with this. It starts with this and ends with this. This is a tag. If you include this inside your text, a new line comes. Okay, understand this basics. And what if you want something to come in bold? Use this tag, strong. Okay, what if you want something to come in italics? Use this tag, I. What if you want to come in underline? Use U. Okay, these are all basic HTML tags. It's available. There are thousands of HTML tags. You can use anything you want. I'm just giving you the basics. Okay, this is not HTML. I created this for you. Okay, if you want something to come in green, use green. Want something to come in yellow, use yellow. Yellow and your content, and then you should close that yellow. Okay, and if you want to come something to come in red, put red first and put your content and close the red. That's all. Okay, have this highlighting. What is highlight? See, I highlighted something here, right? The text. If you want this highlight, put the text here and put the highlight and close the highlight. It will just come in highlight. Okay, this is just simple. You will learn it when you see the file. You will learn this easily. But again, this is the basic understanding that I want you to have. So today's exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to change the site color. So we are going to change the site color. We are going to complete the head section. We are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, so we are going to change the site content. Okay, but what you will write in that in this here. Okay, this is where you have to write your outcome. Okay, you don't understand outcome. Outcome is for tomorrow. Can you see here? This is the offer. This is the offer. I help business owners, coaches, consultants to get their business online using one-page website and app. This is an offer. Okay, this sentence follows this formula. Okay, this formula you will find it in LMF Secure Access 3.6. Okay, this formula this here. You have to write this offer sentence for your industry. I will write 2 example offer sentences today, but you have to write the offer sentence for your industry, your product, your service. You have to follow this formula. Okay, this is the formula. I help people I serve. Which people you serve? I help business owners, coaches, and consultants. Okay, I help people I serve. To what product service I have? I help people I serve. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants to create one-page website and app. Okay, that is what the product I have. To get how I help them with my live LMF workshop. Okay, in 5 days with my live LMF workshop. Without what is the old product that you replace? I replace the old product like ClickFunnels and Swipe Pages. Okay, can you understand the pattern here? This one. This is the formula. I followed this formula and I written one offer sentence. Okay, this is offer. Now, today you are going to write this offer sentence for your industry. This you can, this formula, if you follow this formula, you can write offer sentence and offer sentence for any product and any service in this world. All the products and all the services in this world will have one offer sentence. You have to write your offer sentence today. Okay, this is the important exercise. Other things are very easy. Okay, this is very important. I am going to give 2 samples. You send me your industry. I will write offer sentence for your industry live today, and you follow the same pattern, and everyone have to write your offer sentence today. Okay, so I repeat again. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to do it everything live. I repeat again, the goal is to complete everything by today 8 p.m. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the WhatsApp group, and after the session I am going to take some questions if there is time. Okay, today it will take more time because there is more work. Okay, I'll share my screen. I hope that you are seeing my screen. Okay, I want this offer sentence in future. Okay, I have this formula. Now, I'll keep it this way because in the recording here, something else is appearing, so it is not proper. So I keep this way. Okay, now go to LMF Secure Access. Okay, go to day 3. How to make changes to the spec file using online spec editor. Okay, now I will download the default spec file. Okay, okay, I'll download the default spec file. Okay, now I have to log into WordPress. To log into WordPress, you will go to day 2. Give your domain name here. If you open it, you can log into your WordPress with your username and password. I will log into my WordPress LMF workshop.live wp login.php. If you go here, give your username and password, login, you will come here. Okay. Now, in the theme settings, go to open leads management page. You will find this. Okay. Now, open this spec editor tool. Okay. Spec editor 1. This is the spec editor 1. Okay. This used to work very good for me. But again, some people in the previous batches had problem with this. So I don't recommend this. If it's working for you, use it. Use 3.2, this one, green button. This is very easy. I think many people, even with the old computers, this is working well. Okay. Now, I go to this spec file. I copy this. Now, I come here. I paste this. Okay, here, okay, this and this are same. Okay, just because I pasted this spec file, it instantly recognized and got everything. Can you see? Use this button. I don't understand this, but again, I'll see. This is the spec file. See the site ready to index. It is here. It is appearing here. Okay. I said all the sections are here. Sections logo, section head, section who. All these are the sections that. One minute. I'll show you different. I'll show you in the website as well. Okay, this is the C. This is section logo. This is section head. This is section what. This is section what. Okay. Section final. I'll scroll down. This is section final call. This is section final call. Section FAQ. This is the section FAQ. Can you see this section bonuses? Everything will appear here. So how many sections you put it here, it will come here in the website. So that is my thing. So now you see there is a property name, there is a property value. Okay. Now I want you to today to come to section head. Okay. Section head. In the section head, there is a section title and there is a section subtitle. Okay. Can you see? I help business owners, coaches, and consultants. Okay. This is what it is appearing here. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants. This is the offer sentence. So this is what that you are going to write. Okay. I am going to change this. Okay. Before I change this, I am going to write one offer sentence for your industry. I'll write one offer sentence. I'll take the first, I'll give you an example. What is the formula? I help people I serve. Someone has a hospital. Okay, I'll give you one example for hospital. Akshat, ASH, what is your hospital name? Can you type your hospital name? ASH, Ashraf Hospital helps people I serve. What is the people that Ashraf Hospital serve? Okay, I write as senior citizens. Senior citizens. I help senior citizens to what product or service the hospital has. What product they have. Ashraf Hospital helps senior citizens to reduce diabetes in 30 days. what product I have, to get how you help them with Ashraf Hospital helps senior citizens to reduce diabetes in 30 days with anti-diabetic technology without diabetic pills, without old diabetic pills. Can you understand? I followed this formula. See, I'll explain why I did write this. Okay, this Ashraf Hospital helps all people, right, from age 0 to age 100. But why did I write senior citizen? Because the more specific you go to the target market, the better the results will be. So why I choose senior citizens? They will come to the hospital again and again. Okay, so this is the target market. So choose your target market. Whom are you going to target? Okay, this is the senior citizens, people I serve. What product the hospital has? Reduce diabetes in 30 days. Okay, so senior citizens have many problems, but again, even go specific what problem they are solving to the senior citizens. Reduce diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic problem. If you put that, people will come again and again. Okay, so reduce diabetics in 30 days. Again, this is specific. With what how the hospital helps them with some anti-diabetic technology. What technology? This is something new. You have to create something new. Anti-diabetic technology. Okay, what they are replacing? Old diabetic pill. Okay, this is the offer. I written the offer. Okay, anyone else type your website name? I write one more offer, and then I'll go and edit this. Type your website name or what you do. I'll write one offer sentence for you. Am I audible? Tank cleaning service. No, RO system is not RO system. What is your name? What is Aqua Services, right? Aqua Services helps the target market. Okay, Aqua Services helps people from 0 to 100, but again, go specific. What is the target market? Aqua help system helps newborn babies. Babies to what you help them with? Drink water, right? So why I write newborn babies? I'm just telling even a newborn baby, not newborn baby, just a baby less than 6 months old can drink the system. That much pure your water is. That's why I use newborn babies to reduce diabetes. How you help the newborn babies to live healthily? To live healthily with what is the technology? Reverse osmosis, miracle reverse osmosis technology. How you help them with? How you without what is the old product you replace? Without old pumps. Okay, old pumps without borewells. Okay, so this is the offer sentence for you. Okay, Aqua Services helps newborn babies. Why I written newborn babies? We need to go to the target market very specific. Okay, it helps 0 to 100 people from 0 to 100, but again you have to go specific. Pregnant woman, something you have to put it to. What product you have to live healthily with miracle reverse osmosis technology. That's a technology, the product that you have. You can create anything that you want here. This is something people should have it as new. Okay, what is the old product the Aqua Services replaces? The old borewell. This is how simple it is. Okay, again I'll tell you, you can jumble this sentence. Okay, this can come before, this can come later, but again you should follow this formula. That is the thing. Okay, I have written this offer sentence. I'll take this offer sentence. I'll come here. Where is that spec file editor? I'll come here. I'll see that subtitle. Can you see the subtitle here? Paste that, Aqua Services, and you can see section title here. paste that. Okay. Now, you have to download this file. If you press this button, this will come here. Okay, you don't need to do this. After you change this, you have to click download. It will download here. Okay. After downloading, you have to go to your theme settings, open leads management, and then you have to upload the spec file that you download. Okay. Sorry. You have to choose file. This is the file that we downloaded, and click on upload. You will find this message, spec file uploaded successfully. Then open the website now. Can you see Aqua Services helps newborn babies to live healthily? And in the subtitle also it will come. Aqua Services helps. Okay. Now the task is not over. Now we did write offer sentence. Now you have to change the color. Okay. How to change the color? Go to this documentation. This is the standard colors that we have. All this. Okay. You copy that any color. I copy this one, crimson. I copy this color, and you have to change it in this place. In the site config, in the site primary color. Okay. You have to come here. I'll close all of this. If you come to site config, can you see site's primary color? You delete this and paste this, what you copied from this documentation. Now click on download this file. Okay, we downloaded one more file. I am going to upload that file again. Choose file. This file we just downloaded. I'll click on upload that. Now click on open website. Can you see that that color came in? When you did this, today's exercise is complete. You have to take a photo of this. Okay, what I need to see today, this color should not be cornflower blue. This should be something else. Okay, you have to copy this color from here. Any other color you choose, but not cornflower blue. I have to see the different color, and I need to change your offer sentence here in two places, in the title and in the subtitle. In the two places, you need to change it, and you are going to take a photo and send it in the group. That's all. Today's exercise is complete, and we are going to set up the lead management system. I'll set it. Okay, I'll explain this. So can you see? This photo you will send me with your domain name, with your offer, and a different color. Okay, this is today's exercise. But now we are going to set up the lead management system 3.5. I'll explain these tools. Okay, 3.1 is what I did now, how to make changes and upload it. And these are the two spec editors. You can use edit the text file. And this is the HTML colors documentation. And there are two links. Okay. You can use both. Okay, this is the HTML standard, and this is a third party. You can use colors from both places. See, these many colors are available. But again, I don't suggest this because this is not a documentation, but just you want to know these many colors are available. Okay. Take from the documentation 3.3, first one. So this is the Android tools to help multi-line. Okay, what happens? This tool, what you can use, you will have the data, that content in multiple lines, but you have to put that in a single line in the spec file. Okay, for that you have to put that multi-line text and click on convert. It will come in single line. You can copy this and put it in the spec file. Okay, that is why I have this tool. Now I'm going to do this. How to set up lead management system. First, okay, log into, I'll close all of this. First, to set up the lead management system, go to your website name, website admin. I want you to go to the plugins, go to installed plugins, Okay, you will find at least 10 plugins here. Okay, we don't need any plugin. Click on all. Okay, first delete, click on apply, delete all the plugins. We don't need even a single plugin. Plugins will reduce the site's load time. Okay, the site will become very slow. Okay, delete all the plugins. I think you have to deactivate before deleting. Now it went off. Okay, I want you to delete all the plugins before you even go do this exercise. Okay, now if I go to live LMF I give this contact number, make payment now, you will see this, something went wrong. This is what happens for you now. Okay, now I want you to go to your website, go to install plugins. Okay, click on add new, type WooCommerce. This is the only one plugin that we need. Okay, in the WooCommerce, click on install now. It will not take much time. It is installed. Okay, then you will find a button called activate. Click on activate. Now, so after you installed this, you will find something as products. Okay, click on products, add new. Type your product name, LMF workshop. Okay, LMF workshop. Give the regular price $9.99. Give the sales price $4.99. Click on publish. That's all. We just need this product. Okay, if you click on all products, you will find a ID. Okay, can you see ID here? 80. You need to copy this ID and go to your spec file. Go to your spec file. Go to your spec file. Always download the spec file from here, because this is the recent copy. This is a recent copy of a spec file. Can you see? The changes that we did will be here. Okay, I copy this and not this. You will be confused if I use this. I will use the spec file editor 2. Here. Okay, now I paste this. Now if you see, all the changes that we did will be here in the section head. I am helping. Okay, it's not coming here. Why it's not coming here? Okay, see, this is coming from my browser cache. Okay, so you have to make sure that you're uploading the proper content. Okay, now that came, I didn't refresh it, that's why the old content came. Okay, now I copy this and I come here. I come to that spec editor. I'll paste that content. Now if you see, the changes that we did will be there. See, Aqua Services, see, it is here. So make sure that you are just using the right spec file. Okay, now what you have to do in the site config, you see something called product ID spelling. The ID is 23 here. Okay, you have to copy this from your product that we just created. In the all products, we just created one new product. Okay, the ID is 80. Copy this 80 and put that product ID here, 80, and download the spec file, and then come back here and choose the file and upload the file. Now if you come to the website, and give your contact number, you will see, thank you, we received your number. Okay. So I just submitted one number. I'll go to the leads management. It will appear here. Okay. How to go to the leads management? Here, this is the leads management. Can you see? I submitted this number. I submitted from Bengaluru. I submitted on July 8. I'll submit one more number. Okay. 989898989898. Okay. I click on make payment now. Thank you. We received your number. Okay. You can go ahead and submit your numbers. Okay. It will come here. Okay. I'll share this link. Anyone can submit the number. It will just instantly appear here. I will tell you how to use the lead management system. Simply just, okay. If you open send to WhatsApp, it will automatically open that number in WhatsApp. Okay. It automatically opened. Okay. See, that number I submitted, it automatically came in. Can someone open that website and put your WhatsApp number? I'll just demonstrate live. Type done if you have done it. Else I'll do it myself. 999-433-7705. Make payment now. It's done. Okay. I come to the lead management system. I'll refresh it. You can see two people already submitted. One is this one I submitted. I click on send to WhatsApp. It automatically opens WhatsApp and automatically opens that number. Hi, it came in. Okay, one more beautiful thing I'll tell you. See, in the leads management, you see something as open show copy data. If you click on show copy data, it automatically opens number. It copies the default message, and I just sent. Okay, I sent to one more person who just tabulate this number. Okay, I click on show copy data. It automatically opens WhatsApp. It opens his number. I sent this message to him. That's how simple it is. Okay, the person who submitted the WhatsApp message just got this message. Okay, he can check his WhatsApp. Type yes if you received this WhatsApp message from me. Yeah, he got it. Ganesh got it. Okay, that's how simple it is to use this lead management system. That's all for today. I'll stop screen sharing. So, can you go ahead and do the exercises? Day 3. You have to write the offer sentence. I'll open. What is today's exercise? Today's exercise 3.1. Make changes to the spec file and upload. 3.1. 3.5. Set up your lead management system. 3.5 is only 4 minutes. 3.1 is only 5 minutes. But you know where it will take time? You have to sit and think and write a great offer sentence, because this is where you will get results. Okay, the system is not going to get you the results. What you put in the system, that will bring you results. Okay, write one great offer sentence. I will review the offer sentence also. Write one great offer sentence for your industry. Change that in section underscore head, in section title and section subtitle. Okay, change it in section title and section subtitle, and also change the website color. Okay, if you use the same colorful, then that is not right. Use some other color, just for the sake of updating, completing today's exercise. Use some other color and upload it. And now I have to see a different color here. Okay, in the LMF workshop.live, I need to see a different color here. Okay, once you do these 3, today's exercise is complete. You can set up lead management system later also. If you don't have time, you have the recording, you have 15 days, you can set up lead management system anytime you want. But this is very important. You have to do it within today. Okay, so that's all for today. And tomorrow, what we will do, 7:47. I completed in 50 minutes. So tomorrow, what we are going to do, tomorrow it is going to take even more than 1 hour, because you will have your Android app ready, iOS app ready, and we will set up this lead management system in your phone. Okay, we are going to set this up in the phone. You know why? You get the lead. You will get a lead. How quickly you respond to the lead determines whether he will convert to a customer or not, whether he will pay or not. Okay, do you agree that point? So to respond to him immediately, you need to set up that lead management system in your phone. Anytime you click the icon, you open the lead management system, you will find all the leads. Okay, that one we are going to do. We are going to do Android app and the iOS app files, and we are going to set up the lead management system on the phone. Okay, so this is what we are going to do tomorrow, and tomorrow it will be taking more than 1 hour. Be prepared. Anyway, we will have much time tomorrow. Many people will not have will be off on Saturday. That's why it is designed that way. So Saturday it is going to take 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes it is going to take tomorrow. Okay, and one more thing, if you come tomorrow and if you complete the exercise tomorrow, whoever completes the exercise first, I will take that website and I'll test it live on the final day. Okay, whoever completes tomorrow's exercise first and send in the WhatsApp, I will take that website. The person who is completing first, I will take that website and test it live on Sunday. Why this system is better? Okay, I am not going to test my website. I am going to test the website that is created in this workshop and prove it to you that this system is better than all other systems that is presently you already have. How this system brings in the results that you will know on Sunday. Okay, any more questions you can ask? Sorry, I didn't. Someone received that WhatsApp message that I sent. That's how simple it is. Okay, the system works. Okay, I use that system to handle thousands and thousands of people. 10,000, 5,000 leads per month I will get in my website. Okay, that will work. Any more questions? Please type in. We have 10 minutes. I'll take questions for 10 minutes and then we can end up the session. Any questions? There was an error in uploading spec file. You didn't complete that properly. Go and what error you are getting? 3.1. Do it properly. If there was an error, your spec file is not. You didn't download it from properly. Okay, you used online spec editor. What is the full form of LMF? I think you didn't attend the first day. It is lead magnet formula. Okay, leave the lead. No, only the magnet. Okay, a website should be a magnet to attract leads. There is only one goal for a website, that is to make a sale. To make a sale, the website needs to get the lead. Okay, and the website needs to attract it. That's why I named it as lead magnet formula. That is the first step to make a sale. If you don't have a lead, you cannot make a sale. And this lead magnet formula applies before even you think of starting a domain name. Think of creating a domain name. Okay, your domain name also matters. Okay, that is called lead magnet formula. How to delete the LMF theme? You do it again in WordPress admin. If you delete it, it will go. You don't need to delete it. Okay, why you need to delete it?
Jagan sir.
Yes.
Jagan sir, every time we do a change in spec file, we have to download it separately, new.
Yeah, download it separately and then upload it. You can do all the changes at once and then you can upload
Okay.
finally.
Okay.
What I recommend is have your content ready and do the spec file once at a time and then upload and see the changes.
Okay.
How to make the payment? We should use any other bank. There is no payment system inbuilt in this. You have to attend the final day. I will tell you how you can integrate the payment systems. There is no inbuilt pay. In India, there is no inbuilt payments. You have to use some other services like Paytm. There are payment services like Paytm and InstaMojo. We have to use their services. Any other questions?
Sir, Gopi here.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yesterday, I downloaded first lead management spec from the file which you gave, and it got saved the same question where I saved in a notepad, but while uploading it, it didn't take. So where should I say how which format I should save and
Yes,
how?
you got the answer today. You have to go to the spec editors. It will download in a format called .json. It is not .txt. If you download from spec editors, it will download as .json. Okay, that is the extension. You have to upload in that extension name. Only then it
So
will
I
get
have to install first the spec editor.
You don't need to install. Use the online spec editors. You don't
Okay.
need to install. Again, there are spec editors. Installing that is it's a big task. Again, if you want, you can install it. There are many more things. If you just JSON file editors, this is the keyword. If you go and do it, you can download any spec editor. That is a programming editor. There is no spec file editor. Any programming editor that you can use.
Okay, sir. I'll go to.
That is again the big work. You can use online spec editors. That is very easy. Is there any difference between Windows and Mac? No. You can use the spec. You can use mobile also. Last session I figured out from exercise day 1 to day 5, 100% everything can be done using mobile phone without a system. Only last session that I figured this out. But again, it is very, very difficult. Okay, because mobile technologies become very powerful. So everything that you do here can be done using a mobile phone itself. That's how simple I made this. Is there any difference between no? Any other question? I'll stop the recording.